Tired of worrying about power outages? Whether you use a portable generator, a stationary unit, or a modern power station, you need a safe, reliable way to power your home when the grid fails. That's where the CONECT ATS panel comes in. The CONECT ATS is a professional-grade automatic transfer switch designed to protect your home. Once installed by your electrician between your main supply and your home electrical system, it handles the switchover for you instantly and safely. The panel features a simple 3-position switch: off, bypass, and auto. For daily peace of mind, you just keep it in auto position. If the grid becomes unstable, the system alerts you and waits for your secondary power source. As soon as your generator or power station is ready, the CONECT ATS panel automatically restores power to your home. And when the grid returns, it safely disconnects the generator and resumes normal service. Don't leave your home's power to chance. The CONECT ATS panel is the safest, most efficient bridge between your home and your emergency power source. To see the full technical specification and current pricing, click the link in the description below.